Sebastian Vettel, Lewis Hamilton. Oh, and Hamilton gets forced off the track.
This is Silver vs Red F1 2017 Clash of Champions, a Formula 1 documentary I made some years ago about the championship battle between the Ferrari driver Sebastian Vettel and the Mercedes driver Lewis Hamilton. As a graphic designer, I create also a logotype to represent the documentary. This is the final version logo, but the first logo I made for the documentary was terrible, and in this video I will show you for the first time ever. You should to watch this video until the end. I have a little gift about this for you. So here we are. This is the official Silver vs Red Clash of Champions logotype. It's shown in the documentary in the remastered version, because the original documentary that is on YouTube actually don't have this logo, have this one. This is the first logo I create for the documentary Silver vs Red Clash of Champions, but when I create some years later the remastered version, I also improved the logotype. This logotype that was the first you saw in the documentary, it's good for me, but it's improvable. The letters, the silver letters that are not in silver, that is obvious. If you are talking about a battle between Ferrari and Mercedes, it's about silver versus red cars. And I put silver in green. Why I use these blue-green colors in the silver leather? When I was thinking in Mercedes, I was thinking to include colors that I use in the Silver War documentary that are inspired in the branding of Petronas with Mercedes. Petronas, which is one of the main sponsors of Mercedes since they came into Formula 1 again in 2010. And that was for me a mistake, because if the title is Silver versus Red, silver have more sense that it's on silver, not in this kind of green-blue color. Red is nice, and Clash of Champion letters are more or less the same that in the remastered version. Obviously, in the final version, silver is in silver as it should be, red is in red, but also I improve the red letters. I eliminate this kind of white border lines in the red letters, and the V that is on the middle of the silver letter, I change the color from white to gold, because we are talking about Clash of Champions. The gold color is used to define champions, to define something related to a champion duel. And we are talking about Vettel and Hamilton. At that time, Vettel 4 times F1 World Champion and Hamilton 3 times F1 World Champion. So makes more sense to put this V in gold. Clash of Champions letters are the same size, the same position. It's a bit more shiny. The logo of Ferrari and the Mercedes, they also improve a bit the definition of the logo type and brightness. Finally, the 7 stars representing 7th Formula 1 World Championship that Hamilton and Vettel had in 2017 combined. 4 for Sebastian, 3 for Hamilton. And the stars, I also improve it a lot in comparison to the first version. I fulfill the stars with gold color and now are much more visible. Little changes creates big differences. I would like to show you the prototype version that I never published before. This is a version that I create when I was creating the documentary at the same time, but at the end I was not convinced at all. This is the first version of the logotype of Silver vs Red Clash of Champions. Super basic. The typography is the same as you can see in Silver, Red and Clash of Champions. There are the stars as well, but it's all much more basic in a square. Thanks to this version, later on I was thinking in how to improve this concept to finally create this version that was the first, and years later create the ultimate version that creates the official logo vs Red Clash of Champions. The logotype that you can see here in this t-shirt. You can get this t-shirt in my official store, Floss Store in Fourth Wall. You have the link in the description of this video and in the comments below. In the section Silver vs Red, this is the t-shirt that I'm wearing on this video. The original one with the logo, the official logotype, not only in red, you can choose black or silver, is up to you. This shirt quality is absolutely awesome. The logotype print quality is absolutely awesome, I have a little gift for you. Silver versus Red, if you introduce this code in your purchase, at the end of the process you will get 5% off in every single product about Silver versus Red. This code is available to use. Clash of Champions definitely is one of my favorite documentaries. That's why I'm so proud to wear this logotype that represents so well the meaning of this battle between Vettel and Hamilton for the 2017 Formula 1 World Championship. The stars, the colors, everything represents this logotype that also you can wear from now. This t-shirt is available here, and I hope you like this video where I explain the official story of one of the most iconic logotypes about a Formula 1 documentary. See you in the next video. Bye bye.